Military professionalism. Men who adopt the profession of arms submit their own free will to the law of perpetual constraints of their own accord. They reject the rights to live what they choose, to say what they think, to dress what they like. From the moment they become soldiers, it needs but an order to settle them from this place, to move them to that, to to separate them from their families and dislocate from their normal lives. In the worlds of commands, they must rise, march, run, endure the weather, go out without sleep or food, be isolated in some distant post and work until they drop. They cease to become masters of their own fate. If they drop on their tracks, their ashes shall be scattered by the poor wind. That's all part or parcel of their jobs. Pledge of loyalty. If you work for a man in heaven's name, work for him. Speak well of him and stand by institution that he represents. Remember, an ounce of loyalty is worth a pound of cleverness. If you must growl, condemn, and eternally find fault, why resign your position? But if you are in the outside, damn your heart's content. But as long as you are part of the institution, do not condemn it. For if you do, the first high wind that comes will blow you away, and probably you'll never know why. 11 General Orders. Number 1. To take charge of this post and all government properties in view. Number 2. To walk in my post in military manner, keeping always on alert in everything that takes place within sight or hearing. Number 3. To report all violations manner I am instructed to enforce. Number 4. To report all calls in my post more distant from the guardhouse than my own. Number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. Number 6. To receive, obey, and pass to the sentinel who relieved me all orders from the commanding officer, officer of the guard, officer of the day, officer or non-commissioned officer from the guardhouse only. Number 7. To talk to no one except on the line of duty. Number 8. To give alert on any case of fire or dislocate disorder. Number 9. To call a commander of relief in any case not covered by instruction. Number 10. To salute all officers, colors and understand not case. Number 11. To be watchful at night during the time of challenges, to challenge all persons on near my post and not allowed no one to pass without proper authorities. Military secrecy. What you see, what you hear, when you leave it here. Military principle. Obey first before you complain. You do what I say.